Every year, 8 million tons of plastic enters the ocean, damaging and diseasing the marine environment. A main source of this is single-use plastics, which are used to package something just once before being discarded. They fragment, but they never really go away. This leads to the deaths of hundreds of thousands of marine creatures and millions of birds each year through entanglement, injury, drowning and ingestion. Currently, 1/3 of all fish we eat and 90% of all seabirds have ingested plastic. And if we continue to pollute at the same rate, there will be more plastic than fish in the ocean by 2050. At this point, removing all the microplastics from the ocean is impossible. But through companies banning single-use plastic packaging, and by using plastic alternatives ourselves, we can reduce how much plastic continues to go into the ocean before it's too late.
Microplastics are tiny pieces of plastic less than 5 millimeters in diameter, and microplastic pollution is everywhere, from our oceans and fields to our food and drinking water. Every year, between 5 and 12 million tons of plastic waste are washed into the seas. Scientists believe that 150 million tons have accumulated in the world's oceans. By 2050, there could be as much plastic as there are fish. Microplastics form over time as plastic objects like bags and bottles, toys and food packets are broken down into increasingly smaller pieces, but they don't disappear. Once small enough, they're consumed by marine animals and passed up the food chain to larger fish and mammals as predators become prey. The impact on humans at the top of the food chain remains unclear, but research suggests that microplastic pollution has led to infertility in some animal species. Others die from malnutrition as they swallow huge quantities of plastic instead of food. Parliament is committed to reducing our reliance on plastics for which no alternatives exist by at least a quarter by 2025. It's also backing a Europe-wide ban on single-use plastics and funding research into greener, sustainable replacement materials.
To clean up plastic pollution in the world's oceans, one organization is turning to rivers. Dutch nonprofit The Ocean Cleanup recently unveiled the Interceptor. The 100% solar-powered device cleans up plastic from major rivers to stop it from reaching the ocean. The Ocean Cleanup founder and CEO says 1,000 rivers are responsible for 80% of pollution.
That means that just 1% of rivers do 80% of the pollution. So it's quite achievable to solve this.
So how does it work? First, a barrier guides waste to the opening of the interceptor. The current moves plastic to the conveyor belt, which continuously takes waste out of the water. It's distributed to 6 dumpsters, and when they're almost full, a text message is automatically sent to operators who collect the waste. The organization says it's an autonomous system that can extract more than 110,000 pounds of waste per day, and the device can work 24/7 in even the most polluted rivers in the world. They aim to get rid of plastic in all 1,000 rivers by 2025.
A new drone technology is helping to tackle the growing microplastic pollution problem in our oceans. These drones are designed to skim the surface of water and capture microplastics, offering a cost-effective and efficient way to address environmental concerns. With microplastics polluting ecosystems and impacting marine life, this innovation could play a key role in restoring the balance and safeguarding our oceans. The drones are equipped with specialized filters to capture particles as small as 1 micron, making them highly effective at collecting microplastics that traditional methods often miss. This breakthrough could lead to widespread applications for environmental cleanup and help reduce pollution in marine environments.
Thank you for watching. Together, we can make a